Hey everybody, this is Chris, and in this video I want to do something a little bit different. I want to try doing a grammar video. Let me know what you think. Is this kind of video useful for you? Also, if you haven't already, you can click the link in the description to this video and sign up to take my British accent mini course. So many people have been taking this course already, and if you want to improve your accent, then I recommend you check this out. Alright, so let's get into today's video. The difference between look, see, and watch. So first of all, we have look. So what does look mean? Look means that you are turning your eyes in a particular direction. And often you're looking at something that is not moving. So the word look is an action, it's a verb. So let's look at some examples. Look at me. That means you're turning your head and your eyes are faced on me. Look at me. You could also say, look at the camera. In this instance, we would also use look. At the same time, look can be a verb meaning to search for something. For example, I'm looking for a job. Or, are you looking for something? What are you looking for? Look can also be an exclamation. I can say, look. This means I'm trying to attract your attention to something that I'm talking about. Look, I'm not interested in antiques. Or, look, this isn't going to work. Now let's look at see. What's the difference between look and see? Well, see means that you are able to perceive something. You are aware of something. So see can sometimes be the result of look. For example, I'm looking, but I can't see the ball. So looking means my head is in this direction. I'm looking around, I'm searching, but I can't perceive it. I'm not aware of the ball, my eyes cannot see it. It means my head is in this direction, my eyes are pointing at this direction, but I can't see the ball. Maybe the ball is too far away, maybe it's too small, or I just haven't seen it yet. So this is when we use see. Other examples, I can't see you. This means maybe you're too far away, maybe you're too small, maybe you're behind a tree. I can't see you. And another example, I've never seen him before. So see can also be a verb. It can also mean you're seeing somebody. It can mean that you're going on a date with them. I'm seeing a girl. This means going on a date with. This is another use of see. See can also mean understand. Like, have you heard, I see what you mean? Or, oh, I see. I see means I understand now. Okay, so what about watch? Watch means, again, that you're looking at something, but it's often for a long time, and you're paying a lot of attention to it. And it can often be something that is moving or is changing. So this is why when we talk about TV, we usually say watch. Do you want to watch TV? Or watch a film. Let's watch a film. Let's watch a movie. If you're talking about sports, a sports match or a sports game, you would also use watch. Yesterday, I went to watch a football match. And if you're looking at somebody for a long time, paying attention to them, you would use watch. I'm watching you. That means I've got my eye on you. I'm looking at you and paying attention to what you're doing. Okay, so now let's do a little quiz to see if you can figure out the answers to these questions. Number one, can you the ball? Should we use look, see, or watch here? Here we should use see because it's talking about whether you are able to see the ball. Number two, do you want to something, a movie? So would we use look here, see, or watch? We should use, normally we would use watch a movie. But sometimes we can also use see, especially if you're watching the movie outside your own house, going to the cinema or the movie theater to see it. Then we could use see. Do you want to see a movie? Number three, there's a man over there, something, me. So which verb would we use here? We should probably use watching. And it's the second verb, so we use watching. There's a man over there watching me. Number four, it's too foggy. I can't. Which one should we use here? We should use see because it's talking about whether you are able to perceive something. And number 5, don't something. I'm changing my clothes. Which one should we use here? We should use don't look, okay? Don't look. I'm changing my clothes. All right, so hopefully this helped you to understand the difference between these and you like this video. Let me know. Would you like to see more videos about this, explaining points in English? And don't forget to like this video if it helped you and to subscribe to my channel as well, because I'm going to be posting lots more content to help you learn English really soon. All right, so thanks for watching, everybody, and see you in the next video.